This review is for rain shower head and this handheld shower. This came with all you need. It is very easy to install. You can just hand tight this. You don't even need to use a tool. Here you can change for both the handheld and the overhead. And if you turn this down, where is that? It's on up. If you put it up, only the rain head will provide water, and this one, it goes up and down. Very useful. You can easily take it out and put it back, and it has different water options. So let's turn it on. As you can see, it provides a lot of water, and right now the current setting is only on the overhead. If I turn this, I can get both from the handheld and the overhead. It is really useful. And if you just want the handheld, you can just turn this and it will just come from this. And this has different water settings. It's really useful, especially the handheld. And installation is easy. You just put these parts together with your hand. You don't even need a tool. You can just adjust this angle as well. You can, wherever you put, it will stay there and it will not move easy. So if you look for something nice, affordable, this is a great option.